What is it?
Cold.
I told you it was about cold.
You weren't kidding when you said that, were you? I can't see. It's nothing. What in the name of the Wait. Is it this?
Yeah. That's $5 right there.
Just what y'all been waiting on.
Oh, we're not.
What is it?
I don't know what it is.
A deer Y'all can go in the woods, huh?
Yeah. That's for all y'all. All y'all can fit on here.
I did want one of those.
There should be something else in the bottom.
What?
There should be something else in the bottom.
I can't see. Found a card.
That's it.
Open me.
Stop.
To find your gift, look under the couch and see.
Bring it in here.
Bring it in here to open it. Wait, come on. Come on.
RTLM. I'm coming. RTLM. I got one. Oh my gosh.
You first, Logan.
Me first? Okay.
Yep.
What is it? Oh my. What is it?
Notice it said RTLM.
Uh-huh. You gotta share.
Oh, wow.
It's a cover.
And the little iTunes thing. What do you think?
I'm really good.
Oh, my gosh. You shouldn't have done that. You should not have done that.
Well, I mean,
Like Mom and Daddy said.
yeah.
This was all part of the big plan. This was the tricking part. She said, what is all this?
What do you think about that?
Is it flip open? What? No.
No, oh, the whole thing lifts off
Okay.
straight up. Yeah.
Turn around, help him.
You do it. Just hold your hand on the bottom like that. There you go.
Good grief. You should not have done that.
Well, I figured I would have spent that much individually.
What are you trying to do? Kill me?
Mm-hmm. I think it's charged up. But I don't have an Apple account, so
We do.
I couldn't do anything. You had to put all your info in and all that.
That's the worst part about it. What is this?
That's the charger thing. It's charged up though.
What are you doing?
I took it out and charged it up. May have to let your daddy do that. Or maybe you can probably do your existing account if you know the password and all that.
Location services allows me.
Enable. What you think, Ma?
Oh my god.
What else?
I feel like I'm about to get sick.
What you say?
Thank you. I gave him a hug, so you did.
So did I.
Mm-hmm.